most people lose. Not because they're weak, but because they waste their energy in the wrong places. And the moment Emily realized that, everything started to change. Some realizations arrive quietly, but change everything. Emily sat in the dark. For the first time in years, she stopped trying to find answers. She simply observed. Memories returned. Rushed calls, unnecessary messages, moments she spoke too much when the other person wasn't ready. She didn't lack skill, she lacked timing. The scorpion was still there, but now she saw something different. Control. Control of energy, control of timing, control of action. And because of that, when it struck, it never missed. It doesn't try harder, it's just more precise. That sentence stayed. And in that silence, Emily saw the truth. She wasn't lacking effort. She was using it wrong. She didn't need to do more. She needed to remove what didn't matter, to learn how to choose. Wait. Observe. Act only when certain. That night, she wrote, I don't need to do more. I need to do it right. And to do it right, I need to let go. And when she returned, no one would recognize her anymore, because clarity doesn't make noise. It changes your choices. And when Emily came back, the result was something nobody expected. The most dangerous transformation is the one no one sees coming. Because when a person stops wasting energy, they become impossible to stop. Some changes don't look dramatic, but they change everything. Emily stood outside the house that morning. The desert looked the same, but she didn't. She no longer felt the need to prove anything. No longer afraid of being left behind. No longer rushing. Only one question remained. Where am I wasting energy? That question changed everything. Back in the city, nothing seemed different. But her approach had changed completely. She stopped chasing. She started choosing. Who was serious? Who was ready? Who actually needed it? For the first time, she allowed herself to ignore. Weeks passed. No explosion. No miracle. But also, no burnout. Then one day, she met a client. Old Emily would have pushed, but this time, she listened. Not ready. When you're ready, call me. She walked away. 3 weeks later, the message came. You still available? She wasn't surprised. She already knew. One deal. Then another. Not far, but precise. 6 months later, her name appeared. 1 year later, she reached the top. 2 years later, no one could compete. What changed? She smiled. I stopped doing what doesn't matter. And that's what most people never understand. You're not failing because you're not trying hard enough. You're failing because you're trying in the wrong places. Success doesn't belong to the busiest. It belongs to the most precise. If you've been trying and nothing is changing, maybe you don't need to try harder. You need to try differently. If this story hit you at the right time, subscribe now, because the next story on this channel might be the one that changes everything for you.